On this video guys, I'm gonna show you 4 ways to fix Telegram problem. First thing, go to the settings, go to the apps, open the apps, wait a few seconds, scroll until you find Telegram, click on it, click on force stop, and then go to the data usage. Make sure to enable all these options, go back, click on storage, click on manage space, and that's the first way. The second way is actually very simple. Just go to the settings, go to the wireless add networks, enable the airplane mode like that, and after 5 seconds disable it. And the third way is go to the Play Store or the App Store if you have iPhone, search for Telegram and update it. That's it. And the last way is actually just remove Telegram and re-download it. Unfortunately, that's the fourth way. And don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.